Let's learn how to connect this machine. When fiber laser cutting machine working, it need to connect with assistant gas. This is N2 gas, and this is oxygen. There are two pipes connected to the machine. We would stick levers on the two pipes connection, and this hole is for the exhaust fan. And then you will connect with the chiller. This is S&A industry chiller. There are 4 water cooling pipes. Those two thinner water cooling pipe is for cooling the fiber laser cutting head. It's connected into this side. We also stick the levers on it. And then there are 2 thick water cooling pipes, inlet and outlet, for cooling the fiber source. Also, there are levers for you know how to connect. And last, there is the power supply line connected on the machine. The chiller outer power supply is connected to machine. For this line, connected to machine. Please see, this is the chiller power supply line, and it connected to how to connect. It is connected on the upside. This is for the chiller, and the downside is the fiber source. Downside is this fiber source power supply. It's connected to the machine, and this fiber supply source have a signal line. It need connected to machine also. We would connect well before we send you. Please see, this is the signal line for the fiber source. We would keep the picture for how to connect it. Those lines no need to connect. Only connect those lines. Each line color is different. The chiller wire line and the fiber source wire line each have 4 color lines. Its connection. Please see. This is the chiller 4 lines, and this downside is the fiber source wire lines. Then, how to connect the machine power supply? The machine power supply have 5 lines. There are 3 fair lines, 1 zero line, and 1 ground line. Machine must connect with the ground line. How to know each line name? Please see. The upside those lines have the levers, so you can through those levers to know each line functions. And then this is the fiber source line, fiber source wire lines, fiber lines. It cannot fold in sharp angles because it's easy for the broken. So please circle it in large circle to keep safety. Inside the machine, there are 2 exhaust fans at the back side for cooling the spares. And this back side, we input the machine system or computer at this side. Usually, please don't forget clean after long time use. We would in charge those lines. And that side is the oil pump. It will be set well.